So guys, welcome back to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we'll learn about the circulatory system, and here we'll focus on the blood vessels. So ensure to stay to the end of this video, as this is a very important topic in your biology. Also ensure to check out our previous video on the heart, as this will enable you to understand this lesson better. There are three different types of blood vessels, which are the arteries, the capillaries, and the veins. These blood vessels are designed for their functions. The arteries carry blood away from the heart. The veins carry blood to the heart, whereas the capillaries are involved in exchange of materials at the tissue. So it is important for us to note that the walls of the artery are very strong. This is because the heart pumps blood at a very high pressure, so the artery requires a thick wall to withstand this pressure. So the walls of the artery are very strong and elastic. The walls are actually thick compared to the diameter of the lumen, that's the size of the hole within the middle. They contain thick layers of muscle to make them strong, and layers of elastic fiber to make them stretch and spring back. This is not the same for capillaries. Although the arteries branch off to capillaries, the capillaries are really too small to be seen. They carry the blood so close to every cell within the body to exchange substances with them. Their walls are permeable, so substances can diffuse in and out. So they are able to supply food and oxygen to the cells and take away substances like carbon dioxide. Their wall is usually 1 cell thick. So this increases the rate of diffusion by decreasing the distance over which it occurs. So the next type of blood vessel, which is the vein, joins up with the capillary at the other end. The blood is at lower pressure at the venous end, so the walls of the vein do not need to be as thick as that of the arteries. The diameter of the lumen is greater than that of the artery. This is to help the blood flow despite the lower pressure. They also have valves to help keep the blood flowing in the right direction. So let's see how we can calculate the rate of blood flow. So you need to pay attention to this calculation, as it is very, very important for your biology. So the question says 1464 ml of blood passed through an artery in 4.5 minutes. Calculate the rate of blood flow through the artery in milliliters per minute. So to solve this, we can use the formula rate of blood flow is equal to volume of blood divided by number of minutes. In this case, the volume of blood is 1464 milliliters and the number of minutes is 4.5 minutes. So when we divide this, we'll have 325 milliliters per minute. So guys, here is a free biology exam revision question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.